Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You need a live site or channel and verified Google sign-in before applying. Start by confirming ownership. Add the domain to Search Console or link your YouTube channel. Once done, enable HTTPS and add a clear privacy policy. Google checks this. Next, gather bank routing and tax forms so you won't stall payouts. You're moving fast because initial verification often stalls for missing info. Make sure you have 6+ substantial posts or 10+ videos to appear legitimate. You'll start the AdSense application and submit your site or link your YouTube channel. Google reviews content for policy compliance, so be explicit about value. Once approved, copy the ad code and paste into your CMS header or use a plugin. On YouTube, connect via Creator Studio and claim monetization. Then enable auto ads to get impressions quickly while you test manual placements. Make sure to balance user experience versus revenue. Excessive ads lower session time and hurt earnings. You'll monitor earnings, wait to reach the $100 payout threshold, and verify your address with the mailed PIN so you can receive payments. Once verified, focus on RPM and CTR by improving content relevance and attracting organic, intent-driven traffic. Paid traffic often drops RPM. If your account is disapproved or limited, you must fix the specific policy violations, document changes, and resubmit, usually after one full review cycle. Troubleshooting tip: if ads don't show, confirm code installation and use an incognito browser to test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.